Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into Jaguar OS, a custom ROM designed with security and privacy in mind. Specifically, we're talking about its implementation on the OnePlus 6 and 6T. This is an official build of Jaguar ROM, which is a unique offering because it can run on a locked bootloader while still maintaining root access via Magisk. However, this is a donation-based feature, meaning you'll need to support the developer to unlock this capability. Now, you might be wondering why you'd want a locked bootloader with root. Let's break it down. Security. A locked bootloader with AVB protection is a formidable barrier against unauthorized access. It prevents tampering with system partitions, ensuring your device remains secure. Banking apps, most, if not all, banking apps will work without issues, even with Magisk installed. You might get a warning about your device being rooted, but you can proceed with your transactions. Jaguar bypasses SafetyNet by default, which is great news for those who rely on apps that require SafetyNet to function. Jaguar OS is all about hardening the Android operating system and its kernel. They've beefed up security in areas like Bionic, Art, and Framework. The kernel itself has security features borrowed from Linux kernel 4.14, but why stick with Android 11 in 2024? The developer has a strong stance on this. Privacy concerns. Every Android version after 10 has introduced new privacy risks with APIs that grant advertisers excessive access to user data. Stability. The developer prefers to wait until a new Android version reaches a stable state before incorporating it into Jaguar. Jaguar OS goes beyond standard security measures with unique features. Custom encryption. Different encryption parameters compared to AOSP make it harder for attackers to crack your data. Type 0 SMS blocking protects against silent SMS attacks that are often the first step in a cyber-attack. Clipboard protection, a toggle to completely prevent apps from accessing your clipboard. Read-only kernel symbols makes it more difficult for attackers to exploit vulnerabilities. Relocating bootloader, a donation feature that allows you to relock the bootloader while preserving root access. Of course, Jaguar OS also offers the usual custom ROM perks. Customization, extensive options for power settings, status bar, buttons, nav bar, quick settings, lock screen, notifications, gestures, themes, and more. Performance tweaks, modifications to Art, Bionic, System Evolved, and System security for improved performance. Additional features: speakerphone proximity sensor toggle, IMEI and phone number hiding, call recording, custom web views, battery optimization options, and a customized launcher with extra grid layouts. Battery life is decent, with around 4 hours of screen-on time in normal usage. Geekbench scores are not stellar: 561 single-core, 880 for multi-core, but it's important to remember that Jaguar OS prioritizes security and privacy over raw performance. So, there you have it. Jaguar OS is a compelling option for those who prioritize security and privacy without sacrificing customization. It's a niche ROM, but it definitely has a dedicated following. If you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to check out the links in the description. And as always, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech content. We're committed to bringing you the latest information on custom ROMs, security, and privacy. If you have any questions about Jaguar OS, or if there's a specific ROM or feature you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community and tailoring our content to your interests.